Never underestimate how fast a crochet item can sell out. I'm talking about pieces that people see once and immediately pull out their wallets. Home decor items so good that when you post them online, your DMs fill up before you even set a price. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which crochet home decor items sell the fastest, why people can't stop buying them, and how you can make them without spending weeks on a single project. There's one item on this list that consistently outsells everything else. People order it in bulk, in multiple colors, for every room in their house. I'll get to that later. But first, let me tell you something that most crochet sellers get completely wrong. A lot of people who crochet think that the more complicated something looks, the more it will sell. They spend 3 weeks on an incredibly detailed blanket, post it, and then get maybe 2 likes and 0 sales. Meanwhile, someone else posts a simple little coaster set that took them 2 hours and sells out the same day. That's not luck. That's knowing what people actually want for their homes right now. So, what do buyers want? They want things that look like they belong in a Pinterest board or an aesthetic apartment tour on TikTok. They want texture, warmth, and that handmade feel that you just cannot get from a store. They want things that are useful, but also pretty enough to leave out on a table. And they want it in colors that match their space. That's the formula. Useful, pretty, textured, and in the right colors. Keep that in your head because it applies to every single item I'm about to go through. Let's start with something that almost everyone overlooks: crochet wall hangings. Not the big, elaborate macrame-style ones that take forever. I'm talking about small to medium wall hangings that use simple stitches but create a lot of visual texture. Think boho-style pieces with fringe at the bottom, or geometric patterns in neutral tones like cream, tan, terracotta, and sage green. These are everywhere right now. Interior designers love them, apartment renters love them because you can hang them without making a hole in the wall, and home decor brands charge a lot of money for versions that aren't even handmade. When yours is handmade, that's a selling point. People genuinely love knowing that a real person made the thing hanging in their living room. It makes the item feel special. The best part is that many wall hangings use the same few stitches over and over. Single crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet. So once you get your tension right, you can make these pretty quickly. A small one can take you an afternoon. Price them well and they move fast, especially around the time when people are redecorating, which tends to happen in spring and just before the holiday season. Next up, crochet plant pot holders, also called plant hangers or pot cozies, depending on where you look. This one is massive right now, and I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. The houseplant trend has been growing for years, and people who love their plants also love dressing them up. A crochet pot cozy adds texture and color to a plain terracotta pot and makes the whole thing look intentional and styled. You can make these in almost any size to fit different pots, and the pattern itself is usually just working in the round with increases, which is one of the most beginner-friendly techniques in crochet. You can knock one of these out in an hour or 2, depending on the size. Sell them as sets, a small, medium, and large together, and people will buy the whole set because they want their shelves to match. Cotton yarn works best for these because it holds its shape and comes in so many colors. Earthy tones like rust, forest green, mustard, and off-white are the ones that keep selling. Bright colors sell too, but to a more specific buyer, whereas neutrals appeal to almost everyone. Now let's talk about crochet table runners. This one surprises people because they think table runners sound old-fashioned, but the modern versions are completely different from what your grandmother had. A boho-style table runner in chunky cream yarn with fringe ends looks incredible on a wooden dining table or on a coffee table under some candles. They photograph beautifully, which matters a lot in the age of social media shopping. People see a beautiful shelfie or tablescape on Instagram and immediately want to recreate it. Your table runner can be the thing that makes their table look just like the one in that photo. The stitches for a table runner are usually very simple because the beauty comes from the texture of the stitch pattern repeated over a long rectangle, not from complicated shaping. A good, chunky table runner in an open mesh stitch or a textured stitch like the cobble stitch can look like something from a high-end home store, and you can make it in a few evenings. Crochet pillow covers are next, and these are serious sellers. The reason they do so well is that pillows are the easiest and cheapest way to change the look of a room. People swap out pillow covers with the seasons, for holidays, when they redecorate, when they get bored of their current look. A set of matching crochet pillow covers can completely transform a couch or a bed. And because pillow inserts are cheap and easy to find, buyers don't have to worry about that. They just want the cover. For crochet pillow covers, textured stitches are your best friend. The bobble stitch, the popcorn stitch, and the waffle stitch all look absolutely stunning on a pillow. They're tactile, meaning people want to touch them, which is exactly what you want from a home decor item. Sell them in pairs because people usually need at least 2 for their couch, and make a few sizes. The 18 by 18 inch size is the most popular because it fits standard pillow inserts you can find anywhere. Here's something that not enough crochet sellers are making right now: crochet coasters and trivets. I know, it sounds small, but stay with me. Coasters and trivets are one of those things people always need and often buy in sets of 4 or 6. They're quick to make, which means your time investment per item is low, and they sell well as gifts, which means you get a lot of buyers around every single holiday on the calendar. A crochet trivet in a chunky cotton yarn looks genuinely stylish on a kitchen counter. People who have nice kitchens love having things on their counters that are both useful and decorative. A thick, tightly crocheted trivet in a neutral color fits that perfectly. Coasters work the same way. Make a set of 6, package them with a little bit of twine or ribbon, and you have a ready-made gift that anyone would be happy to receive or give. These are the kind of items you can batch make while watching TV, and once you have a few sets ready, they really do move. Now I want to talk about crochet baskets and storage bins, because this is where things get really interesting. Storage is something every single household needs. People are always looking for cute ways to organize their stuff. Blankets, remote controls, kids' toys, fruit on the kitchen counter, mail by the front door. A handmade crochet basket fills that need and looks beautiful doing it. The trend right now is chunky rope-style baskets using t-shirt yarn or thick cotton rope yarn. These look modern and structured, not soft and droopy, which is what people want from a storage item. They hold their shape, they're sturdy, and they look like something from a Scandinavian home decor shop. Round baskets work well, but rectangular ones are great for shelves. Handles are a bonus feature that makes them even more functional, and therefore more sellable. If you haven't tried t-shirt yarn or cotton rope yarn before, it works up very fast because of how thick it is, and the look you get is really clean and professional. Okay, now for the item I mentioned at the beginning, the one that outsells everything else and gets ordered in bulk in multiple colors for every room in the house. Crochet chunky throw blankets. I know. You might be thinking, blankets take forever, they use so much yarn, they're expensive to make. And yes, all of that is true, but here's the thing. Chunky crochet throw blankets are one of the most searched home decor items on Etsy, Pinterest, and TikTok. When someone sees a couch with a beautiful, thick, textured crochet blanket draped over the armrest, they want it immediately. It's a feeling. It looks cozy and expensive and handmade all at once. And buyers know that something like this takes time and skill, which means they're willing to pay for it. The key is using super bulky yarn and a large hook, which makes the whole thing work up much